up, you guys? Welcome or welcome back to All Things Ange. I'm here with another video for you guys today, and as you can see by that title and that thumbnail, we got us a True Religion haul. I'm super excited for today's video. I feel like it's been so long since I just did like a video like this in my room, you know, Bella in the cut chilling. Like, it's been a minute. My last few videos have been like vlogs or like, you know, videos where I have somebody with me or something like that. So it's just good to like be back in my room, like, you know, getting back to it. 2024, I got a lot of great content coming for you guys, but this right here, y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited, y'all. My first pair of True Religion jeans, my first like True Religion anything. Like, my 12-year-old self is screaming right now. So it's really just the unboxing. I'm gonna call it a haul though because I want to, but it's just the unboxing. So y'all already know one thing about me, I'm gonna catch a sale every time. Y'all know I did not pay full price for anything that y'all are gonna see here. But here's the thing, right? So True Religion's having a really big sale. They've been having this sale since Black Friday, but I don't know if they're gonna have the sale by the time I post this video. Like, they got it right now, but I don't know if they're gonna post it by the time, you know, I dropped the video. Do you guys like my hair? I literally just cut these bangs. Like, I literally just cut them, and you know, it's taking me, I think it's gonna take me some time to get used to them. I feel like I kind of wanted them a little bit thinner, but I think it came out okay. I cut them super quick too. It took like 2 seconds. But there'll be a video on how I cut these bangs. It should be up right now, because I know it's going to take me time to edit this one. So that video is up now. So if you want to see how I achieve these fringe bangs, I think they're called, like fringe bangs. Yeah, check out my shorts. But let's just hop right into this haul, y'all. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god, bro. All right, which one is this? Oh yeah, we're going to do this one first. This is the jeans. This is the jeans. Oh my gosh, hold on. I feel like I haven't done a unboxing or a try on haul in so long for you guys. Yo, this is really, y'all already know, this is the type of shit that brings me joy in life, for real. I am so geeked right now. So I have first ordered these. These are the Billy Straight jeans. These retail for about $160. Y'all don't even want to know how much I got these jeans for. You don't even want to know. I'm not even going to tell you because you don't even want to know. Like, it's sickening how much I got these jeans for. $160. I got these jeans for $50, y'all. $50. But I got them in a 29. They did fit, but they were like a bit snug. So, and then of course, by the time, look at this. Oh my gosh. And then of course, by the time I realized they were sold out, then they put them back on, but then it was too late for me to return them. So thankfully, my friend Janai, I know Janai, she actually bought them from me. Thank God. Of course, I charged her the same price I paid, $50. And then I ordered these in a 30. So of course, y'all already know, y'all should see me trying them on somewhere over there. But I feel like these are gonna fit perfectly. Y'all already know True Religion is tall girl friendly. $50. $50 True Religion jeans. Come on now. Yeah, they were originally, come on, focus. Yeah, they were originally $160, but you know we gonna catch a sale. So run to True Religion and see, because these are so cute, you guys. They're the straight leg. I love the color. I always wanted True Religion. I don't even know, like, do people still wear True Religion? I don't even know, because they was having this big old sale. I'm like, dang, is it like going out of style? I don't care. I've been wanting True Religion since I was literally in middle school, 12 years old. But who's buying $160 pair of jeans? Ooh, this This next one, y'all. I think I might be more excited about this than the jeans because this is like, yeah, I'm not ready for this. Ooh, yeah. And this too, bro. So at first I ordered this in a large, but you know, I'm really a medium. Then of course they restocked the medium, so I'm like, okay, order the medium, and I'm sending back the large. I sent back the large already, and the medium just, bro, this just came today. I'm like, oh yeah, they getting a video today, cause what? Are y'all ready for this? I don't think, ooh, this is like super thick. Y'all, like, what? Stop it. This wait, let me see how much it was. Oh shit, this was 162. Y'all know I ain't pay no one's out. I think I got this for like 100. No, they gave me 15% off. I got this for like 84, I think. I got this for like 84. I'm not even lying. I'm gonna put my my receipt on it. Oh my gosh, you guys, and then they got the logo in the back. I was gonna get like a few more items to make it like a real haul, but then I feel like I would have just been getting them like for the video. They weren't things that like I really wanted. These were things that like I really wanted. Ooh, let me stop playing and put this on for y'all. I'm not gonna pop the tag yet, just in case. Yes, in a medium. This sweater is so thick. Like, it's really good, good quality. Oh my god. They had a bunch of other colors in this. Of course, I had to get red because I don't know. Yeah. Does you like my sweater? It's like, bitch, what the fuck are you doing? Perfect. Yeah, large would have fake been like too big, and I've been doing really bad with that lately, like trying to figure out what size I am in clothes. I've been going back and forth from like mediums to large, trying to figure out what my size is. But at first I just got the large because like that's all they had, and I didn't want it to sell out, so I'm like, let me just get it. Then they restocked all of, like, yeah, me fucked up, but it's okay, True Religion. It's okay, because whew, do you see that? Are y'all seeing it? I don't think y'all are seeing it. I don't think y'all are seeing it. I'm gonna try on the whole thing for y'all on this side, but oh my gosh, you guys. Bells, do you like the sweater? You like the jeans? She's like, fuck you, bitch. It's okay. Now we got the, I already know, logo in the back. Okay, I'm feeling myself. Hair's done. Just got some new clothes. What are you talking about? This sweater is like a really good quality too. I mean, of course, it better be $100, $160. But no, it's like really thick. I love it, you guys. Let me stand up so y'all can like really see. Got the pockets. You know the vibes. You know the vibe. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so crazy. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to style this. I could wear the jacket and the pants together, or I could just wear the jacket with the jeans. I think they'll go so cute together though. So happy. That being said, run your asses over to True Religion because they've been having this sale since Black Friday. It's currently February. As of right now, they still have the sale. I don't know if they're gonna have it by the time I post this video, but either way, run over there and check because they literally have jeans on there for like $50. You cannot beat that. So yeah, y'all, got my first pair of True Religion jeans, and I got me a little sweater too. You feel me? I'm feeling myself. I'm very happy. Hair's looking cute. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I'm so freaking happy. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you go over to True Religion and see if they still got this sale so you could get you something at a discounted price. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video.